viewers, welcome to our channel. Smoothies are best to add to your diet to have a healthy and nutritious side. So now let's see a smoothie recipe for healthy weight loss. The best way to slim down without missing out on a proper nutrients is by focusing on your diet. A great addition to your diet plan is fresh homemade smoothies. These blends of fresh fruits and vegetables are perfect low-calorie yet nutritious, rich preparations that keep you satiated for long. A good mix of protein, complex carbohydrates, and good fats, vitamins, and nutrient smoothies can be an easy breakfast or a quick snack. Apart from catalyzing weight loss, smoothies have a number of additional health benefits like detoxifies the body. Unlike juices, smoothies retain the fiber of fruits and vegetable. Fiber safeguards our body against toxins by boosting antioxidants and increase the activity of enzymes that clear off and neutralize free radicals. It detoxifies your liver and plays crucial role in preventing fat deposition. Boosts immunity. The primary ingredients in a smoothie are fresh fruits and vegetables along with nuts and seeds. These elements are rich in various phytonutrients and minerals that enrich the body and strengthens the immune system. Enhances digestion. It's a known fact that fiber facilitates digestion and adds bulk to the stool, giving quick relief from constipation and other related issues. However, what you may not be aware of is that smoothies are better than fresh fruits or vegetables when it comes to easy of digestion. Keeps you hydrated. Having less than required amount of water in the body results in dehydration, making you susceptible to several diseases. Being a mixture of various fruits, smoothies replenishes the water loss in your body. Smoothies hydrate you the same as twice the amount as plain water while meeting your nutrient needs. Promotes better hair and skin health. Smoothies can make your skin healthier and hair stronger. They are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which are natural beauty enhancers. Consumption of fruits rich in antioxidants induces collagen production and fights free radicals that cause skin damage. It can also reduce hair fall and make the hair look lustrous. Now let's see a smoothie recipe for weight loss. Evergreen smoothie. Now let's see the ingredients for it. 1 cup of baby spinach, 1 bottle gourd or a cucumber, curd half a cup, mint leaves handful, rock salt a pinch, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, amla, gooseberry a piece or a lemon juice half teaspoon. And the method is place all the ingredients in a blender, toss in the ice cubes and blend till smooth. Best time to have it in the morning to detox your body. Bottle gourd and a cucumber are extremely low in calories, aid in weight loss, and it has calorie count of 95. So in summary, smoothies help you lose body weight without having to compromise your energy and taste requirements. Replacing a solid meal with a smoothie reduces the overall calorie intake and keeps one satiated for longer owing to its high nutritional value.